Hi friends, today we discuss the topic intake structure. Intake structures means what? These are the devices or structures used for the collecting of water from the surface sources. Surface sources like reservoirs, lakes, or maybe from the river, and that water is conveying to the water treatment plant. These structures are called as intake structures, and it is generally consisting of intake pipes with the screens at the inlet of the pipe, and valves are provided at some intervals so that we are going to control the flow of water. And these structures are maintained with that is operating with the some type of valves, and also some type of pumps are used to operate the intake structures. And these structures are made up of masonry, stone, that is stone masonry, or maybe of RCC, or maybe of concrete blocks, or maybe of brickwork. So this is what the intake structure, and these are also constructed watertight. Okay, so let us, where we are going to construct these type of intake structure, that is the selection of site for the construction of intake structures, where first one, we are going to select the site near to the water treatment plant, as we conveying water to the water treatment plant, so that it should be nearer to the water treatment plant, and it should be constructed in the pure water zone, and it should be that is, it should not be interfere with the river traffic, and it should be the site should be selected where a good foundation conditions are available, and there only we are selecting the construction, the site for the construction of intake structures. And whatever the site is selected, that should be free from the polluted water. So these are all what some type of site may be selected for the construction of intake structures. Let us we start the type of intake structures. There are three category of types are there. In that first category, we consider the submerged intakes and exposed intakes, and in the second category, the wet intakes, dry intakes, and in the third category, river intakes, reservoir intakes, lake intakes, and canal intakes. So these type of intake structures may be used in the water supply system. So let us we start with first one, that is submerged intake structures. Submerged, the name itself will say that it should be constructed entirely under the water. So for that reason, we may call the submerged intake structures, and this type of structures can be constructed only in the lake. So this is what the submerged intake structures. Next, exposed intake structures means what? These are type of structures, or you may call it is a type of well or a tower, and these are constructed near to the bank of river, that is bank of river, or away from the river banks. In that place, we are going to construct some type of structures, intake structures, that are all called as the exposed intake structures. And it is these type of intake structures are easy in operation. So this is what the exposed intake structures. Next one, wet intake structure. Wet intake structure means what? If you consider any type of intake structure, this is a river, or you may call it is a lake, and this is a intake tower or intake well we are constructing at the river. So whatever the water level in the surface source will be equal to the level in the tower or level in the intake structure. That type of intake structures are called as wet intake structures, and for that reason it is also called as Jackwell type of intake structure. So this is what the wet intake structure. Next one, dry intake structure. Dry intake structures means what? Here no water is stored in the intake structure. Some type of pipes or valves are provided in the tower. From that tower, this is a tower, this is a river water. Here one type of intake structure we are going to construct. Here no water is stored into these type of structures. Only we are operating the controlling valves provided, or pipes are provided into the intake structures. The water is withdrawn from the river, and that should be given to the water treatment plant. To operate the intake structures, some type of structures or some type of devices we are constructing, that are called as dry intake structures. And means only to operate the valves provided in the intake structure. For that reason, we are constructing some type of structures are called as wet, that is dry intake structures. Next, let us we start with the category 3, that is river intakes. River intakes. River intake structure, it is also type of a intake or a tower, intake tower. It should be located at the inside the river water, so that the how much quantity of water is required, the demand of water should be accomplished. For that reason, to withdraw the sufficient quantity of water, we are constructing some type of intake structure inside the river, so that are called as the river intake structures. And in sometimes they may be located near to the bank of river, that is river banks. So that means sometimes we are constructing these intake structures inside the river, or sometimes you may construct these into the river bunds, so that when we are constructing near to the river bunds means when you construct these type of structures, the sufficient quantity of water or depth of water should be available. For in that case, we can choose the site for the site to construct the intake structure nearer to the river banks. So these type of structures are called as river intake structures. In sometimes as we know, entire yearly means whole year the sufficient water you cannot withdraw. For that reason we may construct some type of weirs inside these river structure, these intake structures, so that when water is low in the river water, in that case in the river, in that case that weir will divert water into these type of structures, so that we can withdraw the sufficient quantity of water from the river. For that reason we are constructing some type of weirs into the river structure, that is river intake structures. So this is what the river intake structure constructed in the river. Next one, reservoir intakes, that is reservoir intakes. Reservoir intakes means what? In the river intake, whenever the river is in flow, in that case we can withdraw the sufficient amount of water. If the water level or amount of water is low in the river, in that case we cannot withdraw the sufficient quantity of water. For that reason, for some type of dams or reservoirs we are going to construct to store the water for some period of time, and in that place we are constructing some type of structures, intake structures, to convey water to the treatment plant. For that structures are called as this is a dam constructed to store the water from the river, and this is the intake structure we are going to construct near to this reservoir, so that we can withdraw water sufficiently from the reservoir, and that water is conveying to the water treatment plant. That water is conveyed to the water treatment plant. So these type of intake structures are called as reservoir intake structures. Next one, lake intakes. Lake intakes is nothing but the submerged type of intakes. As I told you, the submerged intakes means what? These are constructed inside or under the water level, water source. Means that should be constructed in the lakes only. So these in the lake intakes are also called as the submerged intake type of structures. And another one is canal intake structures. Canal intake structures. So for the irrigation purpose or agriculture purpose, some type of water should be stored, then in some amount of water should be stored, and that water is conveyed to the water treatment plant, and that type of structures are called as canal intake structures. So these are all what? The intake structures and types of intake structures used in the water supply system, so that we can withdraw sufficient quantity of water from the source of surface sources for the other to the use of other purposes. So this is called as intake structures.